Welcome to Focus English with Sushi.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sakura Sushi. Table for two?
Yes, please.
Right this way. Here are your menus. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay, I'm nervous already. Look at all these strange words. Nigiri, sashimi, maki. My brain is spinning.
Relax, Suri. That's why we're here. Today is not only about eating sushi, it's also about practicing English. You'll do great.
Easy for you to say. You always sound so confident.
And you will too. Just remember some basic patterns. I'd like, please. Could I have? And what does this mean? That's enough to enjoy.
Are you ready to order, or would you like a few more minutes?
I need a few more minutes, please.
Of course. Take your time.
See? That was perfect. Polite and simple.
Okay, here's nigiri. What's that again?
Nigiri is fish on top of rice. A small bed of rice with fresh fish resting on it.
Right. Nigiri equals fish plus rice. Got it. And what about sashimi?
Sashimi is only fish, no rice, pure fresh slices of fish.
Okay. Sashimi equals only fish. Easy to remember. Then there's maki.
Maki, or roll, is rice and seaweed wrapped around fillings like salmon, tuna, or cucumber.
Ah. So maki equals rice, seaweed, and filling inside. Perfect. Wait. Look here. There's avocado roll and cucumber roll. How do I ask for something vegetarian?
Easy. You can say, "Do you have vegetarian options?" Or, "I'd like an avocado roll, please." The avocado roll is rice, seaweed, and avocado inside.
Okay, so avocado roll equals rice, seaweed, and avocado. Got it.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I think so.
I'd like a California roll, please. That's crab, avocado, and cucumber, right?
Yes. California roll has crab, avocado, and cucumber. Very popular.
Got it. California roll equals crab, avocado, cucumber, and I'd also like a cup of green tea.
Excellent choice. And for you, miss?
I'd like salmon nigiri, please. That's salmon on rice. And one avocado roll.
Okay, so salmon nigiri equals salmon plus rice. I'll remember that.
Wonderful. That will be ready soon.
That will be all, thank you. Oh man, that felt like an English exam.
And you passed with flying colors.
Yay! But what if I want to ask about a dish?
Good question. Try this. What does mean? For example, ask me about tempura.
Okay. What does tempura mean?
Tempura means fried food, usually shrimp or vegetables. Crispy outside, soft inside.
Tempura equals fried shrimp or vegetables. Crispy outside, soft inside. Sounds delicious.
Here you go. California roll, salmon nigiri, avocado roll, and green tea. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Wow, it looks like art. But how do I eat it without making a mess?
For nigiri, dip only the fish in soy sauce, not the rice. For rolls, you can dip a little bit. And remember, ginger is for cleaning your mouth between bites.
Okay. Nigiri equals dip fish only. Ginger equals clean the mouth. Got it. Oops. Maybe I should ask for a fork.
Sure, just say, "Could I have a fork, please?"
Excuse me. Could I have a fork, please?
Of course. One moment.
Delicious. What do I say politely?
Tell the waiter, "Everything tastes wonderful."
Everything tastes wonderful.
Thank you. I'm glad you enjoy it.
Perfect, Suri. You're a natural now.
What about teriyaki? I saw it on the menu.
Teriyaki means grilled meat or fish with a sweet sauce. For example, grilled chicken with teriyaki sauce.
Okay. Teriyaki equals grilled with sweet sauce. Nice.
Here you go. Would you like to try something else? Maybe udon or don?
Oh, what's udon?
Udon is thick noodles in hot soup, soft and filling.
Got it. Udon equals thick noodles in hot soup. And don?
Don means rice bowl. Rice in a big bowl with meat or fish on top. For example, beef teriyaki don.
Okay. Don equals rice bowl with toppings. That sounds heavy but delicious. CC, today I learned so much. Let me review. Nigiri equals fish on rice. Sashimi equals only fish. Maki or roll equals rice and seaweed around filling. California roll equals crab, avocado, cucumber. Avocado roll equals avocado inside. Salmon nigiri equals salmon on rice. Tempura equals fried shrimp or vegetables. Teriyaki equals grilled meat with sweet sauce. Udon equals thick noodles in soup. Don equals rice bowl with toppings. Ginger equals clean the mouth.
Excellent review, Suri. You really remembered everything.
Thanks, Cece. Next time I'll be the one ordering for my friends.
Just don't eat all the sushi before they arrive.
No promises. Sushi is too good.
True. But remember, it's not just food, it's culture, confidence, and connection.
You're right. Today, I didn't just eat sushi. I learned how to speak English in a real situation.
Exactly. And that's the real flavor of today's lesson.
Did you enjoy everything?
Yes, everything was wonderful. Could I have the check, please?
Of course. I'll be right back.
See? You said it naturally, like a pro.
Thanks, Cece. I came in nervous, but now I feel confident.
That's the goal. Eating sushi, learning English, and having fun all at the same time.
I agree. Today was delicious for both my stomach and my English.
Exactly. And that's how learning should always feel. And that's the end of our sushi adventure today. If you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new, don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel. That way, you won't miss the next video. Stay with us, because in the next lesson, we'll explore another fun conversation in English. Keep learning. Keep smiling. See you soon.